Friends, nowadays, artificial intelligence technology offers much interesting automation. In this episode, we will design and discuss about an AWS cloud-based architecture of an AI/ML-based virtual email engagement assistant. So, what do you think? What is a virtual email engagement assistant? An organization's sales team must deal with a lot of incoming emails. An AI/ML-based email engagement assistant can auto-interpret incoming emails, and it can analyze and identify the intent of incoming emails, like whether it's a query or a support request or an escalation or it's an appreciation. And after identification, it can automatically compose a reply email. In some general cases, it can send reply by itself, whereas in other it will send it to a customer service representative for lookup and corrections. It will learn from the event and log it into the system to improve itself for providing better response in future. So, what do you think? How to build an architecture for such a system? What technology, tools and technique we can use to make this system smart enough to read emails and understand its intent and automatically compose and send reply? Also, the system should learn from each event and improve itself to provide better responses in future. So friends, AWS provides many services, and by using some of them, we can build this architecture which can meet our requirements. As we can see, this design is using various AWS services, like Amazon Simple Email Service, SES, Amazon Simple Notification Service, SNS, Amazon Simple Storage Service, S3, Amazon Lambda, Amazon Comprehend Natural Language Processing NLP Service, Amazon Translate, Sagemaker Machine Learning with Intent Extraction and Next Best Action Model Endpoints, Amazon Pinpoint, Amazon Athena and QuickSight, Amazon Redshift, Elasticsearch Service, DynamoDB, Amazon Kinesis, and Amazon API Gateways. Today, we will learn briefly about all these services and design this architecture. So, without wasting any time, let's jump into it. Before we move ahead with designing the solution, let us define the scope and understand the project objective. The AI/ML-based intelligent email responder system will improve customer experience and our sales representatives' productivity by using Amazon Simple Email Service and Amazon Machine Learning Services. But we also want the project implementation and operation cost to be minimal. So, for that, we want to build a serverless architecture. It should be scalable and configurable for increase in demand, but when system is underutilized, it should scale down to save on the cost. The scope of this video will be limited to only understanding the concepts of the design and understanding the uses of AWS services used in this design. We are not going into coding or hands-on building it on AWS console. If you want me to do that, please let me know in the comments section below. And based on the feedback from you, I will try to make another video for that. As a first step, our corporate email exchange server receives many emails. We can configure Amazon Simple Email Service or SES to capture emails received at corporate email exchange. Amazon SES writes the raw payload to Amazon Simple Storage Service S3 and triggers a notification through Amazon Simple Notification Service SNS. This notification is captured by an AWS Lambda function that triggers the email responder workflow. The email responder workflow is created by Amazon's SWF service, that is, Simple Workflow Service. For those of us who have not worked on SWF, to understand it, we can think SWF as a state tracker and task coordinator service. While using Amazon SWF, we implement workers to perform tasks. These workers can run either on Amazon EC2 or on own premises. We then create tasks, which SWF will store and assigns to workers. When they are ready, SWF tracks their progress and maintains their state, including details of their completion. So here, email responder workflow will take the email as input and assign it for processing to workers as to Amazon Comprehend, to Amazon Translate, and to Sagemaker. It will track their progress and maintains their state. As we can understand, the first task here is to identify the email intent by reading the text and doing sentiment analysis. Amazon Comprehend can be used for language, sentiment, and keyword extraction. Just for a quick recap, Amazon Comprehend is a natural language processing service that uses machine learning to find insights and relationships in text. This service identifies the language of the text, extracts key phrases, places, people, brands, or events. It understands how positive or negative the text is, analyzes text using tokenization and parts of speech. And it will automatically organize a collection of text files by topic. If the sales or service agent understands different language, the email responder workflow can use Amazon Translate for any preferred language translation. To identify email's intent, we can call Sagemaker's intent extraction endpoint. And for better routing and responding of the email message, we can call Sagemaker's next best action model endpoint. Amazon Sagemaker is a fully managed, machine learning, workflow platform that provides services on data labeling, model building, training, tuning, and deployment. Sagemaker allows data scientists and developers to build scalable AI/ML models easily and efficiently. Sagemaker Studio IDE helps us to prepare, build, train, and deploy machine learning models quickly. Next, the email responder workflow performs data looks from the enterprise data lake and ODS stores. Then, it updates the transactional data stores with relevant updates and feeds enterprise data lake using Amazon Kinesis data firehose. As we know, Kinesis data streams are used to collect and process large streams of data records in real time. And Firehose is for delivering real-time streaming data to destinations such as Amazon S3 or Redshift or Elasticsearch service. Based on the confidence and completeness of the response email, the email responder workflow either sends a response email through SES, or, if it finds necessary, it will route the email to the high or low priority queue for the customer service agent to pick up. Now, from the collected data from this event, the intent extraction and next best action models are continuously being improved, using Amazon Sagemaker Ground Truth. Amazon Sagemaker Ground Truth is a data labeling service that builds training datasets for machine learning. As a first step, raw data is placed into Amazon S3 for input. Then, using a workflow, it creates a labeling job. Next, it chooses from different groups of labelers. Then, a labeler will complete the task from labeling UI. Now a training dataset is ready for future use. For personalized email campaigns, additional email analytics, and reporting, we can use Amazon Pinpoint, Amazon Athena, and Amazon QuickSight. Amazon Pinpoint is an outbound and inbound marketing communications service. Using Pinpoint, we can connect with customers over channels like email, SMS, push, or voice. And we can segment campaign audience for the right customer and personalize the message with the right content. Amazon Athena is an interactive query service. With Athena, using standard SQL, we can query our data in Amazon S3 based data lake. We can do analysis on infrastructure operation and application logs, and we can do interactive analytics using popular BI tools like QuickSight. Alright. That's all what I have for this video. My name is Surendra, and I am a certified cloud architect. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give a big thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing for more such videos. Please stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next video. This reference architecture is suggested by Amazon and is available on AWS website.